Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Milwaukee metric tape measure on the market. The Milwaukee 49324595968 meters 26 feet Pro Compact Tape Measure. If you're someone who values precision and durability in your tools, this one might just be for you. Let's start with the basics. This tape measure is designed by Milwaukee, a brand renowned for its robust tools built for tough environments. It boasts a compact design, making it easy to carry around without sacrificing functionality. When it comes to performance, the Milwaukee 4,932,459,596 doesn't disappoint. It features a lengthy 8-meter or 26-foot blade, perfect for both indoor and outdoor measurements. The blade itself is made of high-quality materials, ensuring accurate readings time after time. One standout feature is its ergonomic design. The tape measure fits comfortably in your hand, and the casing is both durable and compact, ideal for storage in any toolkit or even your pocket. Another thing to note is the clear markings on the blade. Whether you're measuring in metric or imperial units, the measurements are easy to read, thanks to the bold, high-contrast markings. In terms of build quality, Milwaukee has spared no expense. The housing feels sturdy and can withstand the occasional drop without issue. It's evident they've designed this tape measure to last. Now, you might be wondering how it stacks up against other tape measures on the market. Well, the Milwaukee 4,932,459,596 stands out with its blend of functionality, durability, and ease of use. While there are other options out there, few can match Milwaukee's reputation for reliability. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for a metric tape measure that's built to last and performs flawlessly, the Milwaukee 49324595968 meters 26 feet Pro Compact Tape Measure is a solid choice. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or just need a reliable tool for everyday tasks, this tape measure won't let you down. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.